सुबह से बारिश हो रही है, मैं सुबह से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, वो कल रात से सो रहा है. How to convert this kind of sentences in English? Hello, my name is Kailash and I welcome you all to Spoken English Master. Today we are going to talk about present perfect continuous tense. This is very important tense. If you want to speak English fluently, you have to learn this tense and watch the video till the end. Okay, because and one interesting thing I'll be discussing with you. Okay, that is called since and for. The difference between since and for we will be discussing. So keep watching the video. I have an important announcement for you. Today we are going to launch that online spoken English classes. Okay, if you are interested, you can contact on this number. So without wasting time, let's start learning. First of all, we have to understand the definition of present perfect continuous tense, how to use it properly. Suppose if I say that मैं यहाँ पे पढ़ा रहा हूँ सुबह से. Okay, if I say मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, what kind of sentence is this? Present continuous tense. How to convert this sentence in English? मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, I am teaching. Present continuous tense. In the previous video we have learned it. If you haven't watched that video, link will be given in the description box. Okay, you can go to watch that video from there. Okay, so मैं सुबह से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, I have been teaching since morning. मैं 2 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहा हूँ, I have been living here for 2 years. These kind of sentences are called present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let's see the formula. If something is going on at present, meaning अगर कुछ चीज़ें चल रहा है अभी, okay, like मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. If something is going on at present, okay, and after that, see, time period or point of time is given, then we can use present perfect continuous tense. Now here two things we have to see. One is time period and another one is point of time. Very important things these are. Okay, time period and point of time. Okay, for time period generally we use for. Okay, and for point of time we use since. How to use for and since we will be talking about these things later. Okay, now see the formula, how to use it properly. Subject plus have oblique has plus been plus V4. V4 means ing form of the verb. Okay, we have learned in present continuous tense video. And after that, object and RW. Here you might have to face some problems about this one, where to use have and where to use have. Okay, in the previous video we have already discussed. Link will be given in the description, you can watch it from there. Okay, have and has. Acha, now what I have told you, just think like this. Many students often get confused about present perfect continuous tense. You need not get worried about that. The thing is, if something is going on at present, for that reason we use present continuous tense. And with this one, just you need to put time period or point of time. What is time period and what is point of time, we will be learning in this video. That's why I am telling you, watch the video till the end. Okay, if you want to get it properly. Okay, so let's take an example to get it properly. See the example. I have been teaching since morning. As I told you, students, since, okay, means point of time. Suppose just if I see that up to this sentence is there, up to this, okay, I have been teaching. Okay, since morning is not there. If I talk about this and I have been teaching, you can also say I am teaching. There is no problem. But when you add these two words, since morning, for 2 hours, okay, whatever, okay, then you have to use this formula. Which formula? Subject plus have oblique has plus been plus V4 plus object plus RW. RW, I think you might not have seen it. RW means remaining words. Okay, object के बाद जो भी रहता है, that is called RW. Okay, अच्छा, here in this sentence there is no object. अच्छा, let's see. As I have told you in the previous video, each and every sentence can be converted into 4 parts. Okay, this is your first part. Okay, second part is I haven't been teaching. I haven't been means I have not been. Okay, so while speaking we will say I haven't, not I have not. Okay, what we have to say? I haven't been teaching since morning. मैं सुबह से नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Okay, अच्छा, have I been teaching since morning? क्या मैं सुबह से पढ़ा रहा हूँ? Okay, अच्छा, it's a positive question. Okay, as I have told you in the previous video, this is called positive interrogative sentence or positive question. How many types of questions are there? There are two types of questions. One is called negative question, another one is called positive question. This is your positive question. अच्छा, next one. Haven't I been teaching since morning? क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ? Haven't. Haven't means again have not. Okay. Short form is haven't. Haven't I been teaching since morning? क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ? Okay. This is your negative interrogative sentence. Okay. See students, I have taken another example to make you understand. It has been raining for 2 hours. Okay. 2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है. Okay. हिंदी में ऐसा होगा. It hasn't been raining for 2 hours. 2 घंटे से बारिश नहीं हो रही है. Okay. Has it been raining for 2 hours? क्या 2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है? Hasn't it been raining for 2 hours? क्या 2 घंटे से बारिश नहीं हो रही है? देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 2 hours. यहाँ पे ड्यूरेशन मेंशन्ड ओवर देयर. ओके, ड्यूरेशन इज मेंशन्ड ओवर देयर. Whenever we have the duration, perfect time, okay, that time we use for. In the previous sentence I have used since. Here I have used for. Okay, so there is a difference. Now we have to understand the difference between since and for. So let's see. See students, since means point of time, okay, and for means period of time. What is point of time and what is period of time? We have to understand. Point of time means since when you started working. Okay, suppose अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूँ कि मैं 10 साल से इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ, मैं 10 साल से इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Okay, so then I have been teaching for 10 years. Okay, or the exact year when I started teaching. If I want to mention that year, that time we have to use since. Suppose मैं 2010 साल से इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I have been teaching since 2010. Okay, so in that case we have to use since. Means if I talk about the particular time, okay, exact time when I started working, or when someone started working, the time is called point of time, and we have to use since. And if I talk about the total period, total time, okay, when we try to mention total time, that time we use for. Some examples I am telling: since morning, since last night, since evening. Okay, these are the examples. Since 2019, since 2020, since 2013. Okay, whatever. These are the examples of since. Some examples of for, like you can say for 2 hours, for 4 hours, for 5 years, for 3 months. Total time. Okay, for means total time. Since means exactly when you started working. Okay, that is the difference between since and for. I hope you have understood it properly. That's all for today in this video. If you find this video helpful for you, do subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. And if you want to watch our previous videos, the links are given in the description box. If you want to watch, you can watch all the videos. These videos will definitely be helpful for you to speak English fluently. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.